Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Is the burden of debt weighing you down? It's a grim reality many of us face, waking up to the relentless cycle of debt. In this modern world, debt has become a common denominator, a universal language spoken by many. It comes in various forms, each with its own set of challenges. First, we have the notorious credit card debt, a silent predator that creeps up on us. It's easy to swipe away our worries, but harder to swipe away the mounting interest. Then, there's the student loan, an ambitious promise of a brighter future, which sometimes feels more like a dark cloud hovering over us. And let's not forget the mortgage, a symbol of our pursuit of the American dream, becoming instead a cumbersome reality. Yet, imagine a different narrative, a reality where you're not shackled by these financial burdens. But what if you could change your financial situation and break free from debt? It's time to take control of your finances and create a roadmap to a debt-free life. The journey to financial freedom starts with acknowledging your debt. It's about taking a good, hard look at the financial obligations you've accumulated and taking responsibility for them. Don't shy away from this step, as it's the foundation on which you build your debt-free life. Once you've acknowledged your debt, the next step is to create a budget. Think of your budget as your financial GPS. It helps you navigate your income and expenses, ensuring that you're not spending more than you're earning. It's essential to be realistic here. Underestimating your expenses or overestimating your income will only lead to frustration down the line. With your budget in place, it's time to set some financial goals. Now, these shouldn't just be any goals, but smart ones. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Maybe your goal is to pay off your smallest credit card debt in the next 6 months. Or perhaps it's to save a certain amount of money for an emergency fund within a year. Whatever your goals are, make sure they're smart. Now let's talk about a technique that can help you tackle your debts effectively, the debt snowball method. The idea here is simple. You start by focusing all your extra money on paying off your smallest debt while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that's paid off, you roll what you were paying on that debt to the next smallest and so on. This method creates a snowball effect where your payments compound, helping you pay off your debts faster. Implementing these steps, acknowledging your debt, creating a budget, setting smart financial goals, and using the debt snowball method can guide you on the journey to a debt-free life. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Embrace this journey and you'll be well on your way to achieving your debt-free dreams. The road to becoming debt-free isn't always smooth. There will be obstacles along the way. Imagine you're on a path and suddenly a boulder appears. That's akin to unexpected expenses cropping up when you're trying to clear your debt. Or perhaps you're lured by the siren call of a new gadget, a vacation, or a fancy dinner. Temptations to make unnecessary purchases are like quicksand, threatening to pull you off course. But don't lose heart. Just as you'd navigate around a boulder or resist the pull of quicksand, so too can you overcome these financial challenges. It's about perseverance, discipline, and maintaining a positive mindset. Remember, the road to freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Each hurdle you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient. It teaches you to stand firm, to hold your ground, to stay committed to your goal. It's like a rite of passage, a testament to your grit and determination. Overcoming these obstacles will make your victory even sweeter. Imagine the freedom of a debt-free life. What would you do with your money if you had no debts to pay? Breathe in that dream for a moment. Think about the peace of mind that would come from not owing anyone anything. The comfort of knowing that your earnings are entirely yours to save, spend, or invest as you see fit. Envision the liberation of being able to make financial decisions based on your dreams and desires, rather than obligations and interest rates. Picture the joy of being able to build a secure future, free from the shackles of debt. Imagine the thrill of being able to take that dream vacation, start a business, or even retire early because you're not burdened by debt. That's the freedom of a debt-free life. Start your journey towards becoming debt-free today. Click the link in the description to learn more about taking control of your finances and living a debt-free life.